Hi, this is Design Guy. I'll show you how to easily cartoonify any photo using Canva's cool tools. Click Create, select Custom Size 300 by 300 px, then go to Elements. Search for photos by typing Wuhan and pressing Enter to display the results. To add a photo to our design, select it, then use the Background Removal tool to eliminate the background. Duplicate the photo for later comparison by pressing Ctrl+D. Place the second image, then click Edit and select Style Match. Click See All, then select the photo. Choose Cartoon to convert the photo into a cartoon style. We have successfully transformed our photo into a cartoon and placed it here. Here's how to convert a photo to a cartoon in Canva by matching these photos. Click Share or Download to save. Increase the image size for better quality if you have a Canva Premium account. Set the size, then click Download to save. Now you know how to turn photos into cartoons in Canva Smash. That like button and subscribe for more fun tips.